Hello everyone, welcome to Touch to Click. Today we are going to show you how to get OBS to capture two screens at once in a simple and clear way. This video will help you record or stream multiple monitors easily. Now let's get started. Step 1. Open OBS Studio on your computer and look at the bottom section where the Sources panel is located. This panel controls what appears in your recording or stream, so it is very important for adding screens. Click the plus button to start adding a new source. Step 2. From the list that appears, select Display Capture, because this option allows OBS to record your screen. Enter a clear name for the source so you can easily recognize it later. After naming it, click OK to move forward. Step 3. A new settings window will open where you can choose which monitor to capture. Use the drop-down menu to select your first screen, usually your main monitor. This ensures OBS knows exactly which display you want to record. Step 4. Once the correct monitor is selected, simply click OK. This confirms your choice and adds the first screen to your OBS canvas. You should now see your first display preview. Step 5. Go back to the Sources panel and click the plus button again. This step is necessary because each monitor needs its own display capture source. Adding a second source allows OBS to handle another screen separately. Step 6. Select Display Capture once more, then give this source a name that clearly identifies it as the second monitor. Naming helps avoid confusion when managing multiple sources. Click OK to continue. Step 7. In the Display Capture settings for this new source, open the drop-down menu and choose your secondary monitor. This tells OBS to capture the second screen instead of the first. Make sure the correct monitor is selected. Step 8. Click OK to save the settings for the second display. OBS will now add the second screen to your canvas. At this point, both monitors are available inside OBS. Step 9. Arrange both display sources on the OBS canvas by resizing and positioning them as needed. Then go to Settings, open the Video tab, adjust the base canvas resolution so both screens fit properly, and set the output resolution based on your recording or streaming needs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Touch to Click for more helpful tutorials.